everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are watching me for the very first time, hi, this is Jaini Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about real, relatable, wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize for your day-to-day life. Now, I am an image consultant for the last 10 years and I have worked with over 250 individual clients, and every single time, can I tell you that I work with clients, there is a new challenge and a new learning for me. And that's why I love to do Styling My Subscriber series on YouTube. You actually get to see the changes with every single subscriber or a friend who I hound and style them. And like I always say, the issue is never ever the body. It's about the kind of clothes that you pick for your body, not accepting your current body, that stops you from styling yourself and having a wardrobe that is just you. So today's subscriber is also an interesting journey. I'm gonna bring her in and she's gonna share her details with you. So hi, we have Pooja here, and Pooja is gonna, tell me, take us through your journey.
Well, I've had a lot of body shape changes that's happened recently. So initially I've always had a lower body half, but my stomach, no matter how big I got, my stomach was always flat. But after hitting my 30s, I suddenly had this stomach that just kind of popped out of nowhere, and I didn't know what to do with it. And no matter how hard I worked out, it wasn't going. And now I've just turned 40 and I've managed to lose 10 kilos.
Can we say gorgeous skin?
Thank you. But yeah, so I've lost 10 kilos. But the stomach is still there, so my shape, I think it's not so much my size issue, but the shape that I'm uncomfortable with, because I don't know what to do with it.
Okay, so let's move on with slightly lighter tops, and I want to see the length of your pants and move on to lighter tops and see if that works. Fantastic, let's go.
So this is what Pooja is currently wearing. When she met me, she said that she finds that her denims are not the right kind, but when I saw her, I realized that the denims are not that much of an issue, except the length of the denims, but her top definitely is. It is too stuffy, the sleeves are adding visual weight, and there is an attention to the midriff. This is the first top that I gave her. It's the same denim. I have just outturned the denim and given her her own length. If you have seen my earlier videos, you know that denims on the ankle works fantastic. With this top, the attention on the midriff or the sleeves is taken away. The design detail, the Cadia style or the faux peplum that we create around the waist curve adds design interest. At the same time, it's not a stuffy cotton, but a lighter cotton. There is definitely a visual change between the first top and this white, subtle cotton. Look, I have given her a blue color shirt. Now this shirt is sort of an anti-fit because there is no stickiness to the body and there are no shoulder seams. What happens with the blue on blue also is that the differentiation between the legs, so the lower body and upper body, is also less. Hence everything looks in seam, and we've added interest with a necklace from her own collection. In this third look, we have given a fitted t-shirt and a kimono. She loves wearing vest, and hence on the same denim, any colorful vest or a white vest with a layer, a kimono or bomber jacket would look great to add interest to her whole styling. Also, adding a layer takes the attention away from the midriff, the bust area and the hip area when done well.
Okay, Pooja, so we did 3 looks. How was it for you? What is your biggest takeaway, if there is any?
Well, to be honest, I used to shy away from looser and flared type of tops because in my brain, like, it was always the slimmer part of my body, so I kind of went to more fitted shapes. And so I just realized that actually adding a bit of flow and flare to the top actually helps balance the whole look a lot.
I don't have something to give you right now, but I would love for you to wear like a longer tunic like this with denim. This is too long, this is a dress, but like a longer tunic and then belt it. You will find a midriff. Anything else?
No, I think I'm actually good.
Thank you everyone. So that was it. That was super fun. I hope that with every Styling My Subscriber video, you get an insight into what the other person's thinking and the idea behind styling her. Most of the times the limitations of our body are so heavy on our head that we're not able to explore our styling potential. Let me know what other kind of Styling My Subscriber videos you want to see, and I'll put out a story on Instagram and let me see if someone else agrees to be part of these YouTube videos. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment below what was your favorite style. And if you want to learn about styling, I have an e-course called Frustrated to Fabulous. My YouTube audience gets a special 10% discount for the course. The details are linked below. I'll see you next time with another interesting video. Till that time, bye-bye.